So, you want to assess your first mixer experience?
It was pretty good, except we were late.
How late?
By a lot.
By a lot. By an hour.
More.
But he eventually got there, and he did we had 25 minutes, and he made how many connections? 3?
Yeah, 3 connections.
About 3, and that was really good because it was kind of sparse in there at that point. But we talked to Smud, and that was a good, got some...
We talked to Smud, we talked to that company that makes flyers.
Flyers and signs, which could be useful for us, because I know we need to get some banners and things made.
And also, 2 guys in a truck?
Yeah, 2 guys in a truck.
Apparently they do a lot of charity work.
I've never heard of it, but it might be a West Coast, not a West Coast, but
it's national. It's pretty big, I can't believe you haven't heard of it.
I know, but anyway, so that's our update. And there's always next mixer. Hopefully we won't get lost again. Yeah. Bye!